So a phased approach to implementation. The last thing I'll talk about is, how do we set this up? First establish the core metrics that matter. Try to see if there's a way to measure and take a kind of litmus test of where we are now, and is there a way to be objective, right? Is there a way beyond just satisfaction scores or an internal survey where maybe internal engineers review, right? Versus how can we come up with higher quality metrics or more objective metrics whenever possible? Like for example, space I know has a little bit of more human-based metrics, so those may be difficult, but how do we establish objective metrics based on real frameworks that have been evidence backed? How can we, pilot what is valuable to our team? And initial phases when we're doing a lot of AI generation, we might tend to avoid complex brownfield code. Maybe you're already doing that, so this is out the window already. But we're really thinking about governance as well, right? High value and low risk teams in terms of building out governance and guardrails and things. And then codify some of the guardrails. We can roll out AI service catalogs, and kind of loop and iterate and start with the lowest hanging fruit. Start with smaller teams, or not smaller teams, but a defined scope, and then scale and iterate and scale and iterate.